You'll have to excuse the background for this video, but I was literally just about to box it up and completely forgot to do a little video. So this is today's, it's Mermaid. I've gone around the entire base of the cake with these fondant ruffles, quite easily done, just cut out strips. Big enough to sort of go all the way around the cake, and then with a ball tool just ruffle up the edges and then stick them on, starting with the top ruffle so that you don't see the joins, and then taking it right down to the base. And then I've made some little fondant decorations, these spirals, topped off with some macaroons. No, they're not macaroons, are they? They are meringues. So I've gone for a bit of a twist on the traditional mermaid theme. I've had her sort of resting on the side of the cake, and she looks like she's actually swimming in the cake itself. Instead of just sort of plonked on top or at the side, I thought I'd do something a little bit different. So that's the mermaid's tail coming out of the cake. If you can pick it up on the camera, I've done some little splashes around her tail, then her long flowing golden locks. The birthday girl has long blonde curly hair, so that's what she wanted. So today Lila is a mermaid. Very pleased with this one, the pinks and the blues and the shimmer of the luster dusts. And then added sort of some sprinkles. Just used a bit of edible glue to attach to the ruffles. Waited till they sort of were hard enough or set enough to sort of hold their own, and then plonked on some of these little sprinkles all the way around. I don't know if it's picking up, but it's got a shine to it, this one. I've used some edible glitter, sprayed that all the way around the cake, and luster dust and buffed that up to make it shine as well. It's pretty. I like it.